There we go. I got the fluid back there a little bit so it ain't splashing, and this is what I'm getting with this cutter, a little setup. Oh, now it's on a little funny. See the little spirals up into it? Let me show you. Started making that rubber. Started rubbing. Back it up a little bit and go back in. That usually cuts it down for a minute. Going about this fast. I zero it out when it's ready to break off, so I know how far I am. Just on a random tool. I usually use tool 10. Yes, but anyway, kind of see how it's they're not no long strands getting caught up in the chuck or anything. Nice little pieces. And I'll show you what the tool looks like in a minute. The blade tool, whatever. A little faster here. I want to take it out now. I'm almost there. Got 100 thou to go, 130. Let this one drop. That way, usually I hit it, grab I got something to catch it when it gets close, but for video purposes, I'll let it drop. We'll get there. Alright, about 40 thou out, so I'll take the tailstock off and let it cut it off here. I'll show you the tool or how I cut it, the blade here. Actually, let's see if I can catch it on camera. Pretty hard. Oh, I balanced it. Phone. Come on, baby. Alright. And here's the cut. Got a little angle on my blade so that it ain't leaving shit like it was over here. See how this was leaving. I was using a different cutoff tool too. I was using show you what I was using. I was using this, the rounded one though. It was working really good, but I kept breaking them every now and then. And those are 18 bucks a piece. So anyway, let's turn this off. Hit it with a little blow air, little air. Kind of see what I did. I kind of just focus in. Put a little angle on it. Let's go up top. Alright, put a little angle on it so it cuts it off without leaving a big scrap. I'm cutting these right off at 82. They're going to get ground on both sides. But anyway, put a little angle on it, and then right there in the middle, what I did was, here, get a little close if I can. You ready, man? Let's see, look at that. There. Put a little groove, downward groove in it. So think it's because it's not making contact. These two sides are going up a little bit, slightly. Then the middle part I got going down slightly, so there's less contact with the part. And I use this what would you call it? A little deburring tool, whatever. And I just laid that on there a couple seconds at, like, the rest of the tool's going up a little bit slightly. And I just use that slightly so there's less contact. It's not all making contact at the same time necessarily. So it seems to be working fine finally. Anybody want to try it? Slightly below center. This is probably a few thousandths of an inch or whatever. And I see it. Really nice. And I got, these are all done. Now, with that slight angle, they're not leaving no hunk of shit on there like the one parting tool was, which worked great, but I left that. Like I said, he's gonna throw these on the grinder, on the Blanchard, like that first, and then hit that, but still. And I hope this helps some folks out. So I was looking for a video the other day, and so I was trying to figure it out, but today I messed around and did that. It seems to be working pretty good. So, take another shot of it. Focus in here. There we go, it's about, let's go like this. You guys get the idea anyway, but there we go. Damn it. Can't focus. Shit. There we go. It's not uniform, but it works. Alright. Try it out, let me know feedback. Give me some feedback, see what you guys think. I've only been in the trade. First time I touched a lathe was about 6. Altogether, this is my second time back. Probably about 6 months, so, or 8 months, let's say. Got that one, and I also do work over here in this one. Got that, doing a little chamfer on that. Chamfer on something earlier. So. Alright. That's all, folks.